headline act coming to bless up the stage. Man like Rago Zulu Rebel, a friend of mine, brother from another mother, all of that good stuff. We know each other since we was little pickney. You get me? Big up Rago Zulu Rebel. I want to hear you raise your hands, stamp your feet, all of that good stuff. Make some noise for my brother Rago Zulu Rebel.
He's up there.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
One second, man. When I say Dem, you say Sweets. Dem
Sweets.
Dem
Sweets.
When I say Arch, you say one. Arch.
One.
Arch.
One.
Alright, before we go any further, I think Brother Robert opened up in the right vein, but we have to bless the venue, yeah? So we're just going to bow our heads real quickly. Almighty Father, Divine Mother, we give thanks and praise for the gathering of souls. We know that when two or more gather in truth, the Almighty is there. In your name, King of Kings, Lord of Lords, conquering Lion of the tribe of Judah, Haile Selassie, Empress Mennonite, Jah! Rastafari. Alright. Anyone come here by bus tonight or train?
Yeah, man.
Anyone drive here? Alright. All my people riding in the sardine can or on the way to work inside the traffic jam. I don't wear no suit to work, I'm not a classic man. All the man them with 10 liters in the bags and gram. All the people climbing up the mountain top. Raise your hand in the air and bust a blank gunshot. Everybody bust a blank gunshot. We are so non-stop, cause the struggle don't stop. All my people climbing up the mountain top. Raise your hand in the air and bust a blank gunshot. Everybody bust a blank gunshot. We are so non-stop, cause the struggle don't stop. It's a struggle uphill. I was told it would only fatten if it don't kill. I was told hold your mouth and don't chat to old Bill. Some of them might have style, I'd rather have skill. But now I have both, hold tight, hold still. My life was, it was fight and it was never oatmeal. I fight to fill the pot and it was never cornmeal. I tear up teeth and still to fill the pot with cornmeal. Cut that one, cut that one. Everything I say, I want you to say yeah. Yeah? There's a natural mystic in the air.
Yeah.
Anybody got a rizzler spare?
Yeah.
Do you mind if I fill it up in air? So I can put a natural mystic in the air?
Yeah.
There's a natural mystic in the air.
Yeah.
Anybody got the lighter there?
Yeah.
Do you mind if I spark it up in here? Dem Sweets Nights, we start the party up in here.
Yeah.
Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Rago Zulu Rebel. I'm an artist. I come from down the road. I'm on Global International. We have a lovely band tonight. Big up the band. Let me give them a little props. Each one of them is magnificent. And without further ado, let's jump in the first tune, Sound System. Hey, yo, king in the sound system. Some of them I try bring it to the crown kingdom. Then I get busy like downtown Kingston. Who I try warn them but they don't listen. We are the king in the sound system. Some of them I try bring it to the crown kingdom. Get busy like downtown Kingston. Who I try warn them but they don't listen. Hey, we just a bless not to take why I can't cuss. I'm blessed by Emmanuel, I and Marcus. Real eyes are sharp from the born August. Hard knock the crack when a man can't crush. Every man up on earth happy have a purpose. Some are draw, some are surplus. So it is a iron bedroom with just no bus. But I represent the princes and the paupers. Poor people, defenders, read the signs of the times while they watch EastEnders. Headlines full of propagandas. Like a proper man does. My young girls, bird trying to die young. South of the border, west of the sun. The best is yet to be done. So we come up on a fire upon a dirty Babylon. We are the king in the sound system. Sound system in the sound system. Some of them I try and bring it to the crown kingdom. But we are the king in the sound system. Lord, king in the sound system. Sound system in the sound system. Some of them I try and bring it to the crown kingdom. Yo, when they sing, step on the rhythm in my English class. First things first, big up my English dogs. Sit down on a rhythm like an English horse. So big up, I pay attention in my English class. Means anything I sing is sharp. Iron till it flint and spark. Rock this blood clot like Lincoln Park. Attitude ping and it ring like bar. Next mission, switch it to a different task. Build a little courage in the children's heart. Give a little guidance to the pygmies path. Babylon want them dumb, but we build them smart. My young guns burn bright, trying to die young. South of the border, west of the sun. The best is yet to be gone. So we have a run of fire on under the Babylon. We are the king in the sound system. Sound system and the. Some of them are trying to bring it to the crown kingdom, but we are the king in the. Hey, king in the sound system and the. Some of them are trying to bring it to the crown kingdom, but we are the king in the sound system. Stepping reason on your watch my size. Watch my size, don't watch my size. I'm like a stepping reason on your watch my size. Some of them are trying to bring it sorry next time, guys. Like a stepping reason on your watch my size. Watch my size, don't you watch my size. Like a stepping reason on your watch my size. Some of them are trying to bring it, but they're not last time. King in the sound system and the sound system. Some of them are trying to bring it to the crown kingdom, but we are the king in the
Sound system.
King in the sound system and the sound system. Some of them are trying to bring it to the crown kingdom. Arch one, big up in this place. Yes, my name is Rago Zulu Rebel. This is a wonderful band. That was a truthful sound system. Yeah. So what? We just be one with the band and we get the. Yeah. All right. Cool. All right.